Hello, my name is Bojan Savic here at the Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale, and I would like to take this opportunity to present you with the 2026 Mercedes AMG G63 by Carlex design. So Carlex, as you can see right from the start, this vehicle is different. This vehicle is unique. In this vehicle, it is very, very, very special. So this particular one is a vintage Largo series by Carlex. So what is a Carlex? Carlex is a high-end automotive design company that specializes in modifying the G-Wagons, specifically the G63. Company is known for the last about 20 years to modify the G-Wagons, and they do make some of the one that will cost for a 1 or 2 million. Well, this particular one is not the one. This is part of their vintage series, but is very unique and numbered, and I believe there's only about 25 of these vehicles in the existence. Again, this particular one is called the vintage Largo. Largo in Italian means lake. This vehicle in this color is supposed to represent the water and the calmness on the G63. We'll get into that a little bit later, but let me start from the beginning. So this specific vehicle starts its life in white. As you can see, we do have the Largo color. I'm going to reference it as a Largo color on this one, and the entire vehicle is two-tone. Right from the start, you might notice that this particular vehicle does have the Mercedes star that's wrapped into a blue Mercedes-Benz Laurel. That's here, very much old school, because again, this is the vintage, right? So the whole hood, and also point out that it has the clear design of the headlights, and as well as the turn signals. Bespoke grille, that is, everything is changed. I guess you can see that on this vehicle. It says Carlex refined, so bespoke grille in the front, and the entire front bumper. We do have the 360 camera that it's right here, and you can see the design of the entire bumper is really, really different. Again, I don't want you to lose focus. This vehicle is AMG G63. So let's see who built the motor for this particular vehicle. You know, here, open the hood, closes the door like G-Wagon, you would expect it to. So this particular vehicle is built, it seems to me this is Eugenia, Bilgene. Bilgene built this vehicle. Thank you very much, Eugenia, for building this beautiful hand-built, and it says here, the handcrafted by Eugenia, Mercedes AMG in Germany, 577 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, coupled with the MCT transmission, multi-clutch transmission, gives the power to the all-wheel drive. But I'm guessing that you already know about the AMG G63, so I'll keep it on the focus. What's unique, what's special? Again, the color that we call this Largo. As far as on the interior, everything is painted also on the hood, as you can see from the firewall and where the below the windshield, everything is in the original color white. So far as on the Carlex doesn't do any modifications in the terms of the engine, transmission, suspension, electronics, none. That's all covered by a Mercedes-Benz. Again, the Carlex is a design company, so that's what they focus on. That's what it's being represented. So obviously, you had a chance to notice the distinction of the Carlex. I just want to point out very specific, the silver pinstripe that goes throughout the car. Also, this on the side, the vehicle is wider, all the total for about 5 centimeters or about 2 inches on each side. Obviously, it does have the old school wheels with the white wall tires, much wider wheel fenders. Also the chrome cover caps for the side mirror that goes on the A pillar and the front. Right here, the cap, everything is partial with the chrome, which gives the vehicle distinct look. One of the important things that I want to emphasize on this presentation of the Carlex G63, that this vehicle is about 5 centimeters wider on the front and the rear. As you can see that the side wheel flares a little bit wider, and it also the wheels, obviously they are wider than the regular one, and the vehicle is taller. You can see the space on the wheel well here. So it does, when you're in front of the vehicle, that's kind of a command the presence. Besides its look and the design, the Largo color of the green, white, and the chrome accents. It is a little bit wider and it's a little bit taller. So let's open the door, because that's really where the customization takes place. So come on, let's peek inside. So this particular one, if we start just from the door, you will notice that the leather really matches the color from the exterior. So you do have the intricate design on the leather right here, on the door handle, on the top, together with the stitching. Burmeister sound system with the memory seats, cooled, ventilated. You would expect that from the Mercedes-Benz. Starting on the low point right here, well, notice that of course it has the black running boards. Then we move to the high pile floor mats that around it does have the piping, then again has a Carlex design that's all different. So except this carpet, everything else is designed by the Carlex. So the leather that is right here, together with the stitching two-tone dash that it has, the steering wheel, the leather that's surrounding the steering wheel column, together with the seat. I just wanted you to pay attention, especially on this seat. This is really the high-end quality. This gives you the precision of the craftsmanship on this particular vehicle. So it goes from the plastic that goes here on the side. Everything is, again, in the Largo color. A lot of stitching on this leather, intricate design of the seating portion of the leather, together with the Carlex design, but also on the B pillar of the car, an entire roof, you do have this wool design that makes the vehicle, again, very, very unique. The center console of the vehicle, it's also painted with the Carlex design on the cover right here. What's really one of the things that takes this to another level, if you looked at the Carlex design of the center console, combination of the wool and the leather and the stitching that it goes throughout the center console, really it doesn't miss any of the details. The entire roof deserves admiration how well it was built. The craftsmanship of the material, of everything else, it does of course have all the functions that the G63 you would expect it to have. Even here on the headrest you will notice the Carlex design, the logo that's imprinted on the leather. So it is really, really special, really unique, that makes it stands out. So most of the people that were looking to purchase this vehicle, that are looking to part with quite a bit more than the regular G-Wagon, most likely had the original G-Wagon. So what it is about owning something like this, for something that's a little bit different, a little bit out of the ordinary, a little bit more unique. The G-Wagon does have the status of one of the iconic vehicles right now that's most sought after SUV on the planet, but the Carlex makes it, elevates it to the new level. So, and again, the Carlex is all about the design. So even if we go here on the second, on the C pillar that it is on the car, from the door, every single piece of the door, how well is this leather stitched, the craftsmanship that we're doing, that you can call them, they're definitely artisans that were putting this together, with the step to the floor mats, to the design of the back of the rear seats, to design of the back seats. It's really something. So now follow me to the rear part of the car, because we have more to show you. Obviously you will notice one of the stamps on one of the recognized, how you know you see the G-Wagon, it's the spare wheel that it's right here, and it's basically the matching wheel of the car. Of course, in the two-tone Largo and white. On this particular car, it does have the Carlex vintage design that's in the back, so vehicle is instantly recognizable if you can't recognize the color. So Carlex vintage series, it does come with all the unique colors, because obviously this is not the vehicle, or somebody doesn't want this in the regular colors. Probably you already had your blacks, your whites, your silvers, your grays, and everything else. When the Carlex is designed, they're looking for something that will stand out. So like this, Largo color stands out, but check this out now. Usually this is not the most popular part or most beautiful part of the car, but the way that the Carlex did this, again, it commands respect and the admiration, how the back part of the vehicle was done. So we do have here the wood that's combined here with the leather, the craftsmanship. Again, here it's I don't want to use the word best, but it definitely requires admiration. You do have the gift that comes with the Carlex. You do have the Obsession Daily by the Carlex G Masterclass. Does give some of the other Himalaya collection. You do get Constitution of Carlex that tells you a little bit more about the company, about its workings, about its founders, and here, table of contents. Management and operational culture, HR and talent development, design and aesthetics, operational production, sales, marketing, quality, which can be seen right throughout. And the last but not least, you do get this bottle of the Carlex 2024. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the bag where I found it, and it goes to the owner of the vehicle. I want to show you how the craftsmanship basically on this wood that it is on the back of the seats. And of course, this is all functional that you can fold down, have the pass-through. And then the holding for the front license plates. If you utilize the first aid kit, everything that comes usually with the vehicle. If you notice the catching of the doors, if we can show with the Carlex design, just of the rear door, there is no part of this that was left unattended. Absolutely everything. And if we go in the detail, how in this latch right here, how the white, it's bordering with the Largo color, how everything is done in the details. Really quite a bit of a complex. So just want to show you right here and basically close this presentation of the G-Wagon. The exhaust pipes, usually you do have that on the side, but on the Carlex you do have the 3 smaller pipes, and I think that does go with the feature of the old school design, kind of a matches with the new design of this is a 2026 Mercedes AMG G63 that was reworked by a Carlex, and definitely the vintage and the Largo really fit this vehicle. If you're interested, if I can tell you more about this vehicle, please give me a call. My name is Bojan Savic here at the Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'll be happy to talk to you more in the details about this beautiful 2026 Mercedes AMG G63 Carlex Largo.